We're just in the Amarok here today, and we're just going to show you how some of these multifunction display systems work with the center screen and your buttons on the steering wheel here. So the first thing to know is all these buttons on the right hand side are to help control the center screen. So using these silver buttons, you can go left or right and scroll through different options that you want in front of you. So your settings, you've got your driving information, radio, and once you've got your phone connected, you can see calls and things through here as well. And then using these up and down buttons here, we can scroll through each menu. So we can see speed warnings, travel time, consumption, a few other options like that, range until empty. And the little one in the corner shows the trip meter that you're on, because the car has 2 trip meters. So by simply clicking OK, we can cycle through the 2 different trip meters that you've got set. And if for whatever reason you want to reset one of them, say you've just filled up the tank, you just go to the one you want to reset, hold this OK button, and that will reset that to 0. So now everything on trip meter 1 or 2 was the one we reset, so now that's all reset to 0. The thing we have on the left hand side here is just a couple of options for your radio. So you've got your volume up and down on the top and bottom here. Using these left and right buttons, you can scroll through, if you're playing music through your phone, it'll skip through tracks, or otherwise it will change between the presets that you've got on the radio. So in this case, I can just simply left and right, and we'll scroll through all of these radio stations here. And lastly, if someone is talking or whatever reason you need to just mute it quickly, instead of having to reach over there, you can just push the middle button and it mutes or unmutes the radio.